3 or 4 of them picked out.
And it's already like eaten.
Where'd that other one go? It was in the middle of the... They have that gift to hover. But crows don't have that.
Do crows continuously need to flap their wings?
See, they have to come in and make a hard landing. They don't have as much wing as body space.
That's crazy. How many?
The crows are like, what the hell's going on?
I know. You guys are out of your league.
That one crow right there is like, oh man.
Damn, Daniel. They just keep coming.
There's a lot of seagulls now.
The birds. Oh my
They
God. This is so weird.
One stole an entire piece of pizza.
Yeah, so now everybody's chasing that one.
He dropped it.
I know, and they all chase that one, even though there's still 2 right there.
There's 3 right there.
Pizzas?
There's one of the rocks right there by the water meter. It's upside down. Right? Yeah.
They're like, nope, that's too burnt.
Right? The crows are like, the coast is clear. Come on, let's go.
They're
They're yelling at him, you hear him?
Yeah, he's
Get out of here. This is our yard.
He's calling in the scouts.
Uh-oh.
They're circling like
I
pigeons.
know it. It's weird.
Yeah, I really don't care for the seagulls.
I think it's cool, though. That is so many. Okay, this is
Big
HEMET.
white does.
We're in the desert.
Well, there's one less piece of pizza. Now there's only 2.
So
Hurry
see,
up, crow. They're almost gone.
Coast is
mine. Ah. And watch, they'll swoop in from behind us again.
Here they come, right now.
It's so weird. Like, where did they
Crows
even
better
go?
get busy or they ain't gonna have no pizza.
Look at that one seagull. He's all spread out.
So keep on chasing him.
Hurry
Where
up,
did
crow.
you go?
You better hurry up, crow.
You better hurry up, crow. Yep.
I see it.
Once he figures out his pizza, it's gonna be on though.
I feel
That's
like
a little guy.
add the sound effects.
Apparently the seagulls run the crows out.
Bella's getting all nervous.
They better go to town now.
Get him, Bella. Who is it? Go see. Helicopters. In Vietnam. They just keep coming around.
They just
They're
keep
already
coming.
It was a
chasing him.
great tactic because by circling around the whole
Why do
area
they-
with helicopters,
why
they
do
didn't
they
know
chase them?
knew where they were. What?
Why do they chase them around?
I don't know.
The
but
one, I know, they
Every
chased
time
the
they
one
come
with the
around,
big
there's
piece of
more.
pizza.
It's like a NASCAR race.
Oh, there's still 2 pieces. I see another
Is there
piece in
any
the
guy-
grass.
Oh yeah, I see. They're
Here they come.
making a cloud now, a shadow on the ground.
Oh my God, they are.
I gotta go see. Oh my god.
Watch out, they'll poop on your head. Get in the house.
Oh my God, it's crazy about a seagull swooping by.
Well, come on, get your pants on.